What's up, guys? In this lesson, what we're going to learn is about the if statements. So, before we start our project, let's go ahead and see a flowchart. Okay, so over here we have a flowchart, and in that flowchart, it says if we have start input x, and if x is less than 10, but I gotta make sure I write yes or no so we know what direction we are going in. So we say, uh, let me go ahead and draw a table. Yes, yes, and okay. So if we are going, if the condition is yes, it should do this. If it's not, it should go on the right side. Okay, so I should change this to no. All right, or true or false. Okay, so if x is less than 10, then it should say output x is less than 10 and then stop the project. If it's no, it should go output x is not less than 10 and then stop the project. So over here what we have is we are using if else, but for our demonstration what we want to do is we just want to do the if statement. So for this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this, and our flowchart would be like this. Alright, so if x is less than 10, then it's going to print output x is less than 10. If it's not, it won't do anything. Alright, so let's go to our application, Visual Studio, File, New Project, and name it as an if statement. If statement. I have other project that's named as if statement. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna assign a number at the end, but you don't need to do that. We say if statement, click OK, and once our application is up, we're gonna go ahead and delete this. And as we had seen in our flowchart, what we need is input x. That's all we need. So we're gonna say integer x equals to, choose any number. I'm gonna say 11. Alright, so if integer x equals to 11, we're gonna say we're gonna check a condition. That's what we are doing over here. If you see over here, we are just checking the condition. So we write if, in the round brackets we're gonna put x is less than 10. Okay, no semicolon at the end, curly brackets start and close. Now if this condition is true, it should go to console.writeLine. We need to print, right? We need to print that x is less than 10. Okay, so we're gonna say x is less than 10. That's what we want to display. Okay, let's go ahead and run this project. Debug, start without debugging. And if you see we don't get anything as an output, the reason for that is the value of x is 11. It's not less than 10. So let's go ahead, go back to our project and change it to 9. Debug, start without debugging, and let's see. Here we go. We get our output as x is less than 10. The reason it's in one line because we have used console.write rather than using the write line. So I'm going to use console.writeLine and debug, start without debugging, and we should see it in the new line. Okay, x is less than 10. Okay, so this is how we use if statement. Let me show you the other execution process it does is, okay, I'm gonna make a breakpoint over here and debug, start debugging. Okay, so what it does is when it comes to this point, it's gonna wait for us. So over here you can see the value of x is 10. Okay, over here the value of x is 10. Is 9 less than 10? Yes. If it is, it's gonna go to this statement. If it's not, it will just skip the uh, the execution and it will stop. All right, so that's all for this project.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.